Tax relief companies really work? Well, I would know. My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I've been doing this for, 42 years. I worked for IRS additional 10. The answer is very simple. Yes, they do, and yes, they don't. What do I mean by that? There's some of them that are the worst people in the business, and some are excellent. So how do you decide yourself what you want to do if you're seeking tax relief? Well, you pick a person and you don't pick a firm. Why? Unless that firm is going to tell you, or company I should say, big box company, like you call this number because you see this ad, you don't know who's working the case. The best tip that I can tell you, remember, I've worked thousands of cases with the IRS and on the outside. Who is doing your work? Did that person give you an evaluation on what to expect? Someone even half good, should be able to tell you what the outcome of your case is if you owe IRS money. Why? There's a system and there's a formula. So if you're picking a tax relief company, know this: who is doing the work? Why don't you Zoom with them? Have an extensive conversation. If you have a spouse there, get a spouse involved. If you can, FaceTime them. That person, if you owe IRS debt, should be able to tell you exactly what's going to happen with your case. If they can't run, most of the people you're speaking to in this business, most are salespeople, because there's such a volume of work for these big box companies. You're never going to work your way back to the people, and they're terrible who do the work. Why? If they did the work well, they'd have their own practice. Let that sink in for a while. My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former agent. I've worked thousands of cases. Give me a subscription if you would. Ask me questions. Send me a text. I'll give you the answer. Thank you so much for listening today. I appreciate your ear.